Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to swap faces on a baby in this example. For my particular assignment with my 8th graders, they can go and grab images from my website. These are copyright-friendly images from Pixabay. I'm going to demonstrate how to take this baby's face and put it on this baby's face. So I went ahead and saved these images. I'm going to open up Photoshop. I'm going to choose File, Open. And I'm going to go ahead and open those two images. If you want to see images, you can go ahead and choose large icons so you can see those images. So I will select one image and hold the Control key to get the other image and choose Open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this baby's face and put it on this baby's face. I'm not going to take this baby's face and put it here because what will happen is this baby's face is smaller and I will end up stretching the image, and you don't want to lose quality. So go ahead and make sure you have the following windows open. You go to Window, make sure your Layers is open, and your Tools. I'm going to choose the lasso, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the baby's face and select it as best as possible. With that selection, I will choose Edit Copy. I will then go to the other image and do Edit Paste. I'm going to take the Move tool and move it closer. I will do Control T so that I can resize it. I will go from a corner and start resizing the baby's face to make it look roughly the same size. Do hold the Shift key down while you do that to keep it constrained proportionately, and hit Enter. I will take the Move tool and I'm going to choose Edit, Transform, and I'm going to flip it horizontally. I think it looks more natural to have the baby's face flipped. I'm going to go to the Layers window and tone down the opacity so I can see what's going on, and the baby's face might still be a little big. I will do Control T again, hold the Shift key and start resizing, hit the Enter key when I'm happy. I'm going to set the transparency back to 100%. I'm going to then go to the Eraser tool. I might zoom in a tad. If it's going the other direction, it's because the minus sign is selected. So I'm going to zoom in, go to the Eraser tool, and I'm going to go to the brush at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and choose Soft Edges. I might make the brush size a little bigger and come in and just gently start erasing to make it look a little more blended and a little more natural. I'm going to move the head again by choosing the Move tool and bringing the baby's head down just a tad. And again, I'm going back to the eraser and I'm going to start cleaning it up. Once you're happy with that transformation, go ahead and choose File, Save, get it into that folder for this unit. I'll go ahead and name it Baby and choose Save, and then OK. I'm saving it as a Photoshop layer in case I want to come back and re-edit. Once you are happy with the image, then you can choose File, Save As, and in this case, you're going to choose the format to be a JPEG, and I will call this Baby Finished, and then OK. For my 8th graders, they will go ahead and add their before and after photo in the PowerPoint provided for this project. They will select the object, right-click and choose Fill Picture, and in this case from File, go to the folder that has the images. Go ahead and choose the before image, then right-click here, Fill again, Picture, and now I will grab the Baby Finished. This concludes the session on how to swap heads on a baby. Go ahead and choose whatever you want. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.